Finna go on ahead and change the oil on that boy. Put some of that synthetic. You know what I'm talking about? You can go 10W30 or 10W40 in the Chevelle. 350 original, but I'm going 10W30. Full synthetic. Fuck with the mobile one. You know what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? That spotted. Oil ain't been changed since 2006. It's still cranked up, no problem. It's crazy, ain't it?
Yeah.
That probably look like chocolate milk coming up out of there, man. Yoo-hoo. Came up off of there?
It's still dripping outside.
Oh, you ain't twisted it off yet?
I twisted off too much.
Oh.
See why I threw these napkins down here, though.
Oh.
Like kitchen time.
I got a rag. You need it? You might have to hold it. I kind of.
Is that open?
Yeah.
That's closed.